Hydroelectric power has many of the same advantages as other renewable resources. It creates electricity without carbon dioxide emissions, electricity without acid rain, mercury, and other pollutants. It's renewable. Unlike wind and solar power, it is reliable, that water in certain areas always flows. And not only is it reliable, but the water flow can be changed to meet times of need. There are disadvantages to hydroelectric power, however. Hydroelectric power often involves damming a river, which involves disrupting the ecosystem, flooding an area, and there is a cost to wildlife in the area. There is considerable cost to making a dam, and water availability can be an issue, such as in times of drought, water levels may drop. Perhaps the greatest limit to hydroelectric power is that most of the areas with the greatest potential to generate hydroelectric power have already been chosen. And so therefore hydroelectric power would need to disrupt pristine areas in order to generate significantly more power than it already is. So hydropower does generate a significant amount of the world's electricity, and there are both advantages and disadvantages to its continued use.